Germs, bacteria, and disease can be clinging to every surface of your facility. Get these areas clean again with NDC.
NDC, or Neutral Disinfectant Cleaner, is a concentrated, pH-neutral, broad-spectrum quaternary disinfectant. It's designed to clean and disinfect a variety of hard, non-porous, inanimate surfaces. It can be effective against VRE, MRSA, HIV-1 and HIV-2, the AIDS virus, avian influenza A virus, HBV, HCV, herpes simplex 1 and simplex 2, and SARS-CoV-2, the virus that causes COVID-19. Apply on floors, toilets and urinals, glass and mirrors, metal and stainless steel, porcelain, ceramic tile, plastic, showers, stalls, and cabinets. NDC has a neutral pH formula, making it an effective cleaner and will not damage or dull high-gloss floor finishes or painted surfaces. To use NDC, apply with a mop, cloth, sponge, or sprayer. Then thoroughly wet the desired surface and scrub as necessary, following the label for proper dilution. NDC is a great solution for hospitals, correctional facilities, hotels and motels, daycare centers, fitness centers, nursing homes, schools, and more. Visit www.stateindustrial.com to look for NDC or check out our complete line of cleaning solutions for every part of your facility.